ngizocela sisebenzisane namaphoyisa. Angithi sisebenzisane nawo sisuka phezulu. Akukho futhi kuthiwa sifonile, angithi. So ngicela sibambisane ma-comrade. Kodwa ke okwami kufushane. Ngenkathi senza i-program, bengithe I won't say anything to this march, but they are just pulling me over to come here to say something. I don't know why. Because sometimes it's better if you are part of the organizing team. But I'd like to thank everyone who came to this march to support this march. But the purpose of this march, we came here to say hands up to Ubaba Umkhwanazi, noma General Umkhwanazi. Remember 2 weeks odlulile udedele amabhomu eSouth Africa ekhuluma ngezinto ezobugebengu ezenzakalayo. Siyazi ke ukuthi bantu bakithi yonke indawo ngisho indaweni zokusebenza ungabe uka Department of Health uka Department of Police uka Department of Education abantu abama junior bayasuffocate bengakwazi ukureporta izinto ezibaphazamisayo ekusebenzeni kwabo. So ke we are here ukuzosupport General Umkhwanazi to say hands off. Iyona purpose of the day leyo, and isiphinde sisho sizothi sicela i-commission noma kukhona kwi-memorandum kodwa sokuqina sikusho ukuthi le commission ebekwayo must be scrapped because leya commission siyawazi ama-commission akakhona ngaphambili ekaZondo eyadla billions of rands ayikazi siyenze lutho nanamhlanje, but abantu they accumulated imali ngendlela exaka ukwenza. So ke sizothi ayiscrap because uGeneral Umkhwanazi ushilo ma-comrade wathi i-evidence unayo, why kuzohanywa kobe kwi-commission i-evidence ikhona. So we are saying, comrades, they need to scrap this commission and then badedele umthetho udlale indawo yawo lephalaphala sifuna livuke manje. Asafuni futhi ababe ingcenye yokulisuppressa leliyacala lephalaphala ngisho abakwi-judiciary nabo baboshwe ngoba sesikhathele ukuthi kuyoboshwa ama-politicians. I-judiciary ingaboshwa ekuyiyona efaka lamacala ngaphansi kwa-carpet. So nabo odaleka ababoshwe ngoba umkhwebana wayitholile ukuthi kunobudedengu noma kunobugebengu benziwe ngephalaphala. Nosibiya ngokunjalo bangabe kwenzeka into efanayo ukuze amaphoyisa akwazi ukusebenza. Amaphoyisa ase-South Africa wasakwazi ukusebenza ngenxa yemthetho ebekwe kuwona. Sekufanele asinenge mangabe sibopha asitotose akhulume nathi kahle ngoba amele umthetho asisho ukuthi awasihlukumeze, kodwa noma sesiwadelela amaphoyisa awasakwazi ukusidefenda ngoba umthetho ubekwe kakhulu ngasosayidini legebengu kunamaphoyisa. So ke siyanimukela ke ma-comrade njengoba ndize la, siyanimukela ukuthi sihambe kahle emashini nasiphatha kahle. Siyabonga sengizodedela kumphathi wohlelo wangishithi angizile mina kuzophuma into eziningi, kodwa nje ukunibeka ukuthi sizeleni la ngicabanga ukuthi senizwile bantu bakithi. Thank you. Angeke ngimulahle Umkhwanazi, angeke ngimulahle Umkhwanazi, seziwa sivuka naye, sivuka nobaba uDonga, angeke simulahle Umkhwanazi. Siyabonga magayi, siyabonga kakhulu ukusinika i-purpose of the day. Sizothabela ligama neprogram yethu sesizoya introduce ama-civic societies. Sicela ozowa introducer Dr. ama-civic society sizo-introducer wona njengamanje. Amandla phansi ngeyigebengu, phansi ngomthetho wase-South Africa oil infiltrate wayo abasekhundleni eziphezulu phansi.
phansi phansi Ramaphosa phansi phansi ngosezomkhulu phansi hayi Ramaphosa athi hayi yanibingelela nonke bahlali base South Africa igama lami nguNokuthula Wacele a member of KZN Civil Society Forum ngiphinde ngibe usihlalo wase eThekwini District 8 Council kwi women sector ngibe GBV activist. So lana namhlanje njobe sishiwa inhloso yalolu suku kunama civil society organizations asupporte le march ngobuningi bawo ngoba besifisa kona ukuthi siqophe umlando ukuthi senze le march with solidarity with the unity yabantu bonke base South Africa ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo ukuthi sozwakalisa ukuthi we will protect umkhwanazi umnyama kubomvu thina silo ne GBV every days and crime worse than all KZN is a number 1 hotspot of crime. It's a number 1 hotspot of gender-based violence. But akuboshwa umuntu amacala ayafa enkantolo but asazi indaba sesikhulu mesakhathala. So nanka ama civil society organizations akhona la iPhinifa neDungu Traders Association bese kuba nenhlangano enkulu nje bekufanele ngiqale ngayo organize le march le ebizwa ngomnotho wabantsundu iwona lama organizers siwabona la ngaphambili kakhulukazi njengoba wabona begqoke ikipa ezimhlophe bese kuba nevuka talent organization bese kuba neKZN Civil Society Forum kube neConsent Citizens kube nabafundisi kube nabalaphi bendabuko kube ne-labor desk kube ne-PCC political organization political organization, G4U Protection Services, Selling Security, LSA Protection, Christian Leaders Unlimited, Asak and Dawonya, Mentoring Mothers, March to March, AM40, eThekwini Neighborhood Watch, Imvunge Yabafazi, Iklim, Umilo, March to March. Ayeye civil organizations, ayeye.
Siyabonga kakhulu introduce kwama civic society sesongena kwinto ye-memorandum sizonikeza kuba uMdunge ukube aqale process ye-memorandum. Uthini umkhwanazi uthakwe yini? Uthini umkhwanazi uthakwe yini? Uthakwe yini? Viva! Viva Msandwa Masulu Natal, viva! Viva! Viva General Masamula, viva! Viva! Viva General Lalamkanazi, viva! Viva! Basali ngeke sibambezele uNational Commissioner asiqale ngokumbonga nje ukuthi asakhe isikhathi azinikele ukuthi eze ngosilalela sifisa ukuthi ke ngalo mzuzu ngoba une flight in 30 minutes time sifunde memorandum sizoyifunda njengoba injalo ukuze singambambezeli simcela ukuthi ayisayinele abese eyisa kulesigebengu lesi esiqhathiswe ngoba izwe iphethwe isigebengu washo njalo justice usadile Ngcobo wathi ngiyabona ubuqhophololo benziwe ile ndoda wasehambe eParliament wafike wasomba soldier wathi hayi kusho ukuthi ngithethekile namanje ngako sithi asimthembi basali ngizoyifunda nje njengoba ibhalwe kanjalo ibhalwe ngesiLungu angeke ngehesitate ngizoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe ukuze uNational Commissioner meyidlulisela kumongameli adlulise lento eshiwe yithina. The memorandum to the President of the Republic of South Africa, it is dated on today's day. The reason why it is dated today, we have prescribed 14 days for the state president to reply. If he does not reply, we'll mobilize and embark on a national protest. The memorandum is from the concerned members of civil society and the Democratic Watchdog Organization, including Umnotho Wabansundu Group. Isihloko sakhona subject urgent demand for an executive-led overhaul of the higher justice cluster system, crime prevention and security cluster, JPCS. Immediate suspension of implicated officials that were implicated on the sentiments that were raised by General Mkhwanazi, and the rejection of the compromised ministerial appointments. Sithi umthetho sisekelo siwubona uphuka sabahlali ngoba umthetho sisekelo uthi there shall be no two ministers, no two cabinet ministers serving in one portfolio at one go. And the president has broken the constitution of the Republic of South Africa. The purpose of the memorandum, this memorandum is submitted to the state president, President Cyril Ramaphosa, in accordance with the constitutional right of the citizens to petition the state on matters of governance accountability, as enshrined in Section 1D and Section 59(1)(a) of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, 1996. We therefore represent the civil society and the Democratic Watchdog Organization and demand the following as urgent matters. The South African Police Service, SAPS, intervention into operational dysfunction, ethical crisis, and compromised integrity of justice, crime prevention, and security, cluster specifically involving Crime Intelligence Division, Directorate for Priority Crime, AmaHawks law, National Prosecuting Authority, uShamila Batoyi, sithi ukhobile akasebenzi. The background of the memorandum reads as follows in its context. South Africa is a democratic order, is premised on ethical leadership, constitutional democracy, and accountability before the law. However, recent events signal disturbing collapse and decay of the pillars within the JCPS cluster. Civil society has observed with grave concern the following. Suppression of ethical dockets implicating high-ranking officials and politically connected individuals. Ingakho sithi ayibuye i-political task team le abayibulele oSenzo Mchunu. Phansi koSenzo Mchunu phansi. Ejele uSenzo Mchunu ejele. Ejele umongameli wezwe ejele. Interference in prosecutorial and law enforcement processes directly violating Section 179, subsection 4 of the Constitution, which requires prosecutorial independence. Contradictory conduct by former Chief Justice Sandile Ngcobo. Ixoki le. Ixoki uSandile Ngcobo. Kwathiwa akaphenye iphalaphala. Wathi uyalibona icala, wathi there is a prima facie evidence for the president to answer to the crimes he would have committed. Wanyonyoba, wayiparlamente, wafike wathi ngididekile. Sizomthemba kanjani umuntu odidekayo makuthiwa ngaphinda aphathe le commission? Asimethembi. In addition, it has been reported that President Ramaphosa made submissions to the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, acknowledging that He recognized errors and mistakes in handling of Phala matter. According to the public disclosure, the president confined to the political allies that he had considered and considered resigning from the office following findings of the prima facie case by Justice Sandi Lengo. We therefore call for the president to intervene with immediate effect. We are giving 14 days to reply to our request. If he does not, we are saying to him, we are going to embark on a national march. The controls is no longer going to be in our hand. The society, abahlali base South Africa, will decide ukuthi kwenzakalani. Makufanele izwe lithathwe, alothathwa basa. Objection to the proposed appointment of Professor Feroz Katalia. We categorically oppose the appointment of Professor Feroz Katalia as Minister of Police. This objection is based on the following. Historical concerns during his tenure in Gauteng as MEC. Katalia was linked to a multi-billion rand tender scandal, which he has not been cleared today, for which no transparent report or resolution has ever been publicly provided. Given the ethical lapses surrounding the Phala, including President Ramaphosa, own admission to the NPA, the appointment of an individual closely associated with these unresolved issues to oversee policing is suicidal. Legal and ethical grounds for action. Our demands are grounded in the following constitutional and governance principles. Constitutional provision. Section 83B. The president must uphold and governance principles. Constitutional provision. Section 83B. The president must uphold and defend and respect the Constitution. It's an obligation. Section 195, subsection 1. Public administration must maintain high ethical standards, promote transparency, and ensure accountability. Section 179, subsection 4 of the Constitution, the NPA must operate without fear, without favor, without prejudice. Section 206, subsection 1. The president is responsible for policing and must ensure the integrity and effective governance within the policing fraternity. Section 92 of the Constitution, ministers must have clear, distinct, and non-overlapping mandate to suppress individual accountability to Parliament. As cited in the Cabinet Practice Constitutional Law in South Africa, divorce and Boardman 2021. Each minister must have a responsibility. Duplicating ministerial functions without compromise constitutional accountability. Furthermore, the King 4 report on corporate governance 2016 compels the state to do the following. Democratic ethical leadership and integrity, ensure clear lines of accountability, avoid conflict of interest, uphold transparency and fairness. Demands for the immediate presidential action. In the view of the above, we respectfully demand the following. Immediate suspension of all officers that are implicated on General Mkhwanazi's presentation. Ababoshwe Masela. Ababoshwe Masela waboshwe. Phansi ngoMinister Senzo Mchunu phansi. Phansi ngeLivia Manga phansi. Rejection of compromised ministerial appointment. We call for the immediate withdrawal of protection and ethical law enforcement officials. We call for the protection of non-interference and ethical officers such as Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who have consistently demonstrated commitment to the Constitution of the Republic and the rule of law and anti-corruption effort. The public reaffirmation on ethical government. We demand as a public a declaration from the President reaffirming the state's commitment to ethical governance, judicial independence, and separation of powers in order to restore public trust. Asifuni umongameli kanye nalo minister ongcolile bahlakaze ama specialized task team. Njengamanje bahlali nje basikhuluma asinaso i-special task force eSouth Africa nala KwaZulu Natal ngoba sidliwe ama private security company ngoba thina asinayo imali yokubakhokhela amabhanoyi awandizi ngoba asikwazi ukwathengela upetrol. Ngakho ke sithi uminister nomongameli abafande amaphoyisa abe nebudget ephilile ukuze bakwazi ukusibhekela kuliwe nobugebengu. Civil society's call of action in defense of the Constitution and the spirit of Ubuntu, particularly democracy. We request the following: formal acknowledgement of the memorandum. That is what we are demanding to the President. Within 14 days, he must have acknowledged our memorandum. He must have replied to it. Uma engaphenduli, woe unto him. Uma engaphenduli, utakwe yini? Uma engaphenduli, utakwe yini? Utakwe yini? Utakwe yini? Utakwe yini? Utakwe yini? A detailed response within 14 days is demanded. A public release of the response in accordance with Section 32 of the Constitution of the Republic, which is the access to information. Bail us to meet our request will compel us to escalate this matter to the Public Protector, the Judicial Service Commission, Parliamentary Portfolio Committee, and the Constitutional Court. In conclusion, Bahlali base South Africa, this memorandum is a call for a principled constitutional leadership, not a political expediency. South Africa's democratic future demands bold action against corruption, political interference, and unethical governance. We act not in defiance, but in the defense of the Republic, of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. The memorandum is issued by Umnotho Wabansundu Civic Society Group. Siyayithatha manje le memorandum bahlanga. Sinika umphathi jikelele kuzwelonke kwamaphoyisa uGeneral Fani Masimula ukuthi ayamukele egameni labahlali. Ayini kuGeneral, asimemplicate la uGeneral. uGeneral siyamthemba. Siyamthemba Masimula, siyamthemba. Siyamthemba uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi, siyamthemba. Sithi ke General, wena kuphela uGeneral owamukelwa isilo samabandla esesakhothama isilo uKing Zwelithini wakwaZulu. Ingakho kugcwele indlunkulu la siyakhuleka ke kunena benkashana kaMendle yakho umlazo ongameva. Sithi nangu uGeneral manje uyayimukela imemorandum uzosayinela ikhophi eyodwa ezosala thina ahambe neyakhe azofika yenze le office lakhe ngoba laba banemkhubu bazoyilahla bathi abayithola noma bathi silahlekile abasayazi ukuthi nathi ke sifuna ukuthi asayine amakhophi amabili khona sizosala nawo ugcobo bese siyabuyela kuyena siyothi general engani bathi laba ubanika kanti wenze njani siyamthemba ku General Masimula. General sicela uwamukele umabili nanti ipeni lekhethelo lesinike ku General sithi akayisayineleke ngasekugcineni hayi bopha why signer makomanda bahlali base South Africa siyabonga kakhulu simbonga uGeneral nethimba lakhe ngomsebenzi omuhle abawenzile abekithi ngizobona lo General Mkhwanazi angimboni ngoba siyambuna sifuna ukumshayelisa omenye asimshayele noma singamboni. Program Director siyabonga. Bahlali nansi memorandum useyisayinile uGeneral Masimula iyahamba manje iya ePitoli e-office likamongameli. Uma ngabe umongameli engaphenduli in 14 days siyahamba siyoembaka kwi-national strike. Masuka lapho sobe sesibuza lamasosha ethu ukuthi kandaphi ngoba kaThahore sawabona enzani aphi lawa wethu. Siyabonga bahlali.
All right, ithi ngibingelele nonke bahlali. From my side, I'm quite happy with your behavior. Niphethe kahle. Nihlale niphethe kahle kanjalo. Ayikho into elungiswa kokulwa. Yonke into efanele kasolube kahle ilungiswe. So continue behaving well like you are doing. I receive your memorandum. I will send it to the relevant office. Yabonga. Abapolisa are doing their work. Respect the police, give them support. They will continue protecting you and doing their work all the time. Yabonga.